In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Playback on VSeeBox. So first of all, you'd like just to go and open the Heat Live app, or first of all, just turn on your VSeeBox and open the Heat Live app, and basically start playing any live TV channel. So while watching live TV, press OK on the remote to open the normal APG, or you can press the APG button to open the classic APG. Both guides let you access available playback programs. So what you'll have to do, as you can see, you'll find here some channels that have icon indicating playback available with this channel. Some channels won't have it. So look for a channel with the replay icon next to its name. Only channels showing this icon supports playback. So once you do so, you can use the remote to press the right to basically view previous programs or basically playback on the same channel. So you will be able to select the dates from the past 7 days if available, and then highlight the program that you want, then press OK to start the playback. While watching, you can press left to rewind or press right to fast forward. And you can also press OK to pause or resume. To exit the playback, you'll have to press return once to open the guide, or press return again to choose whether to return to the live TV or not. And if you don't see as example the replay icon, that channel probably doesn't support the playback. It's only selected channels example include the 7-day replay feature. And if you can't watch older programs, playback is generally limited to programs from the previous 7 days, and the availability depends on the channel itself. And of course, some replay contents may have playback restrictions depending on the channel or program. So if the fast forward doesn't work, it's nothing you can do about it. So that's how you use the playback on VSeeBox. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.